We're going to be dealing with a non-metallic pipe as per the 2 there. This is a 3-inch PVC pipe. And again, now we're over that 2-inch caulk-only threshold. C-AJ-2282, that's our combination system. So under number 1, it'll tell us our floor or wall parameters. So we can use either a concrete floor, block wall. We have that optional steel sleeve or an optional non-metallic sleeve, which we have there. Our penetrating items here is 1 non-metallic pipe, either up to a 4-inch PVC, 4-inch CPVC. We have the 4-inch Rigid Nonmetallic Conduit. A couple different options there, and the ABS as well. And then number 4 is our firestop system. So this is a wrap strip tuck-in system. So under number 4A, you'll see the different parameters for the different pipe sizes. So you may need 1 layer or 2 layers depending on the pipe size. Or under number 4A1, we have pre-cut wrap strips for your 2-inch, your 3-inch, or your 4-inch tuck-in systems here. So Eddie's actually using the blue 230, which is for a 3-inch pipe. He used that foil face tape that will read through the system there to kind of tape together, and he's gonna sink that down into the annulus there.
How far down is it supposed to go there, John?
You're gonna go down just far enough to recess it a 1/2 inch in the floors.
Okay.
Because we're going to need to finish the system with some LCI sealant, which will not only serve to keep the wrap strip in place, but will also be that smoke seal on the top side of the floor. In this situation, the wrap strip is critical to the intumescence and the closing of the hole, so it's essential that you get it close to the heat source, which is why it needs to be recessed into the opening. And then we're gonna put the sealant on top here. More or less is just our smoke seal. And that would be that 1/2 inch. And if this was a wall system, it would be both sides of the wall flush with the surface. And Eddie's doing such a good job here, he may not even need to tool that in. That looks exceptional.
Sure, John.
Right. C-AJ-2282 is in the books. In the meantime, for more information, please visit www.stifirestop.com.